product demo. And this time I'm going to be trying out Merikit's Cica Peel set. So before I got this product, I did a little bit of research, and this is the little blurb I came up with for it. Cica creams are a go-to for anyone suffering from skin sensitivity or flare-ups. The medicinal herb, also known as tiger grass, is at the heart of these hot new formulas that are both incredibly soothing and hydrating. Studies in Cica creams have shown that in this hero ingredient, it can relieve minor burns, help heal scars, and even soothe psoriasis. And so today, this set comes with a bunch of ampules and a few creams. So from what I read from the box, I'm going to be putting the cream on my face and applying a decent amount, right? And just spreading it out and keeping it on my face for about 20 minutes. So once the 20 minutes is up, I'm going to wipe that off, and then I'm going to kind of restore the pH in my skin by using this with just some cotton pads. So let's get started. This doesn't want to come out. I guess it's not meant for me to do. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my face, and then I'm gonna be leaving it on for about 20 minutes. And I'm not quite sure if this is going to like sting or burn like some peels do, but I guess we're gonna see. So, oh, this cream is like much more translucent than I thought. I thought it'd be kind of like thick, or I thought the consistency would be a bit thicker, but it's not. In this cream, there is AHA and BHA in it. So this should exfoliate my skin, you know, make it look brighter. You could probably get 2 or 3 uses out of one bottle. I can already feel it tingling. Okay, so I got this on, gonna set a timer for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna wipe it off and go to the next thing. So I'm about halfway in, and I feel like it doesn't sting, like at all. Only here in this area for whatever reason. So, I mean, I don't know. Cause you know, you like to feel it to know that it's doing something, you know, like at least a little bit, but I don't really feel much happening on any other part of my face. But, you know, let's see when I wipe it off and, you know, when everything's said and done, maybe something significant has happened. All right, so 20 minutes is up. And I am going to go ahead and wipe this off my face. So I'm gonna wipe it off, and then I'm gonna go in with this ampule afterwards. And then I believe the instructions said that I need to also put a face mask, like a sheet mask on afterwards to soothe my skin. So I have the Face Shop's aloe sheet mask. So I'm gonna put one of these on, and then you're gonna see the finished result. You know, it's weird because I feel like I do see some skin when I'm wiping, but when I look at the wet wipe, there's nothing on it. Maybe it's not skin, it's just the solidified cream on my face because it did like harden up a bit. Okay, that's off my face. I hope this next part doesn't burn. So I got my cotton pad. I'm just gonna open this up. And I mean, this is here, so I guess I'll go ahead and use it. Okay. I'm just gonna wipe my face with this. This also doesn't burn or hurt. That was quick and easy. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the face mask on because I do feel a little bit of tingling on my face. Not necessarily because of this, but just from the cream in general. Okay, so I got my mask and I'm just gonna open it up, put it right on. It's not too juicy. Yes, I describe face masks as being juicy because it makes sense to me. But, you know, if they're too juicy, then it's like the essence gets everywhere, just like drips on everything down your neck. And, you know, I don't really like that. But this is not that bad. Whew. It's very cooling. It's perfect. Okay, so the mask is on and I'm gonna go ahead and keep it on for about 15 minutes. All right, so let's peel that off. Just massage the rest of it in. So my face is feeling very smooth. Like, I can tell that when I did wipe off the cream, it did just like a very fine layer of skin came off, which is great because, you know, we all want to have bright and healthy skin as well as get rid of any problems. And I have lots of problems over here and a little bit over here too. My face is not perfect, but maybe after this journey, my skin can be. So yeah, we'll see. But I think overall, I did feel it tingling and a little bit like burning sensation. Like I said, mostly here, but when I wiped it off, I could actually feel it. So I like that I was able to feel something. Because, you know, if you don't feel anything, you're just like, what am I putting on my face? Just a cream that does nothing. That was really nice. It does say that you need to follow up with a face mask, and I highly suggest it, especially with something like aloe or the cucumber, honey, something that's like refreshing. All right, so I think that I will do this maybe like once a week so I can actually see a progression, and I'll be documenting that as well. But for now, you know, I just had the first one and I liked it, and we'll see how it goes throughout the next couple weeks. So if you like this video, please actually like it, share it with your friends, you know, check out our other videos on this channel and comment, you know, let me know if you've ever had this peel before or what is your experience with other facial peels. I want to have that conversation with you, so let's talk, okay? Okay, so that's it for today, and I will see you next time. Bye.